washing soda Na2CO3 10H2O. Preparation. Washing soda is prepared from sodium chloride by Solvay process. In this process, carbon dioxide gas is bubbled through a brine solution saturated with ammonia. It results in the formation of sodium hydrogen carbonate. NaCl, sodium chloride, reacts with water H2O, carbon dioxide CO2 and ammonia NH3, giving ammonium chloride NH4Cl and sodium hydrogen carbonate NaHCO3. Sodium hydrogen carbonate so formed precipitates and is filtered off and then ignited to get sodium carbonate. 2NaHCO3 sodium hydrogen carbonate gives Na2CO3 sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide CO2 and water H2O. Anhydrous sodium carbonate thus formed is called soda ash. When soda ash is dissolved in water and subjected to crystallization, the crystals that separate out are of sodium carbonate decahydrate, which is also known as washing soda. Properties of sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is readily soluble in water and its aqueous solution is alkaline in nature due to hydrolysis. Sodium carbonate Na2CO3 plus water H2O gives NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate plus sodium hydroxide NaOH. Sodium carbonate combines with water to give sodium hydrogen carbonate and sodium hydroxide. When aqueous solution of sodium carbonate is subjected to crystallization, the crystals obtained are decahydrate Na2CO3 10H2O. This is known as washing soda. Efflorescence. On exposure to air, the crystals of decahydrate lose water and become white opaque powder, which is sodium carbonate monohydrate Na2CO3 H2O. Na2CO3 10H2O, sodium decahydrate, gives sodium carbonate monohydrate Na2CO3 H2O plus 9H2O. Sodium decahydrate loses water, forming sodium carbonate monohydrate. Reaction with acids. It reacts with acids and carbon dioxide gas is produced with brisk effervescence. Na2CO3 sodium carbonate plus 2HCl hydrochloric acid gives 2NaCl sodium chloride plus carbon dioxide CO2 plus H2O water. Reaction with calcium hydroxide. When sodium carbonate in aqueous solution form is heated with calcium hydroxide, caustic soda NaOH is produced. Na2CO3 sodium carbonate reacts with calcium hydroxide CaOH twice, giving CaCO3 calcium carbonate and 2NaOH sodium hydroxide. Precipitation of carbonates. When soluble salts of most of the metals are treated with sodium carbonate solution, insoluble carbonates of the metals are precipitated. ZnSO4 zinc sulfate plus Na2CO3 sodium carbonate gives ZnCO3 zinc carbonate and Na2SO4 sodium sulfate. Uses of sodium carbonate. Large quantities of sodium carbonate are used in the manufacture of glass, borax, soap and caustic soda. It is used in paper, paints and textile industries. It is used for softening hard water. It is used for washing purposes in laundry. Sodium carbonate is used as an important laboratory reagent both in qualitative and quantitative analysis.